In this case, for the first part, what is the work done on the particle? We're just gonna use this formula right here. Then we just plug in the values that were given on the question, and we would have this value, 4,950 joules. For question B, we would put the equation as the friction times the distance. So W equals F times D. So to find the force, we would have to get 4,950 divided by the distance, but in this case we cannot solve for this problem because we don't know the distance. Now similarly for question C, in this case we're missing the value for the distance. We don't have the value for the friction, I'm sorry. So therefore we cannot calculate the distance. Now for question D, what it means to have the object to have a kinetic energy of 5,000 joules means the following. The kinetic energy is the same as 1/2 of the mass times the velocity squared. So we can say that 5,000 equals 1/2 times 1 times v squared. So velocity squared is gonna give us 10,000, and as we take the square root of it, it's gonna give us 100 meters per second. Let's plug in the values